Well, there's yellow bush. I see there used to be a big bush here, kind of up about like that. The trunk is pretty big, huh? I'm gonna dig that out, and I'm gonna get rid of all these rocks, pull this all up. I'm thinking maybe that pipe is smashed somewhere in this small little area underneath this tree, because I went over here and all of this is moving slowly. This is barely dripping. This one's hardly dripping at all, and I can notice it's a couple months into the summer now, and I can notice this is almost dusty looking because it's not getting enough water. Those aren't getting enough water. That's not getting enough water. And this one I had the dripper on. Hardly anything went on. The rose bush over there, hardly anything, one little drip of water. And so all of that is on the same system. So, you know, trial and error. The next thing is digging all this stuff out, finding where the main line is, and I believe that main line is going to go that way. It may tee off also and go underneath the grass and come out over here, because all of these are going slowly. See where this one goes underneath the grass this way. It could circle there and come up. If it circles, there could be a T on there and going over that way too. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep digging. I gotta find this, and one step at a time, get these rocks out of here, get this pad stuff out of here, get all this stuff moved, and start digging this dirt to find the pipes. Now see, as for this is kind of damp over here, so I know the drip is here. Once I dig that out, before I dig all that out, I could cut the end of the bubbler off. Either way, I think I've got to dig all this stuff out still, one way or another.